Hey guys, just want to give you an update on the Redeye build. It's been over a month, 6 weeks or so. We finally got the Supercharger back, and we've got quite a few goodies that we did to it, so stay tuned and we'll show you the works. Alright guys, so you can see that this is the bearing plate port work from Jokerz. So we've upgraded from the factory Redeye / Demon throttle body. Did great for what it was, but it was stock. So when we had the porting done on the blower, we went to a 105mm throttle body. Can't wait to see what the gains are with this thing. It's gonna be fun. Look at the size difference. Well guys, it's been a pretty long journey. Finally got everything put back together. We got the tuning done, got everything settled, purged, got all the air out of the lines and stuff, so it's time to go take it for a drive. I do want to give a huge shout out to Jokerz Performance for doing the race rebuild. The race bearings, the porting, it looked killer. We'll post some photos and stuff of the port work and stuff. It looks really, really nice. And thanks Brian McMahon for doing the killer tuning on it. I'm gonna go take this thing out and take it for a rip, so let's see what she's got.